It must be time to begin.
Oh, I want to hear all about your adventures, Snufkin. Oh, Snufkin, it's so exciting.
Let's go on an adventure right now!
Okay, well, you help me pitch my tent and I'll tell you all about it.
I thought that it was amazing.